chia seed pudding. So it's gonna be genius flavor, so berry. I'm gonna put about 1.5 cups of milk, about 6 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of the Genius blend, and you really just want to mix this very, very, very well. You don't want the chia seeds to be clumpy. So what you want to do with chia seed pudding is you want to mix it, let it sit for about a minute or two, and then remix it again because all the chia seeds go down to the bottom, and so you want to remix it so that it's very well incorporated before you put it in the fridge. Then you put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. It's ready to eat after about 2 hours, but it could also stay in your fridge for about 7 days. So I'm gonna remix. And put it in the fridge. So I just took it out of the fridge. It's been about a couple of hours. So then you could decorate it with any types of fruit that you want. You could put little berries or nuts or granola, and just to give it a little bit of a crunch. Or you could just eat it plain as is. I have some pomegranate seeds and I will just put that on top, just to give it a little extra something. And here we go. It's very good recipe. It's perfect sweetness. It's really good. Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.